Bossy, how we are doing this, Bossy? Eh? Where the panic on this, Bossy? For your knee. But where you do this, Bossy? What you mean when me the panic gun? Eh? You know, see, I unplug the drain. Because whenever a woman call you and tell you if you call the plumber, and when me call the plumber, if you come unblock the plug, because the woman call me, tell me, say, her hole is unblocked, it's blocked. Right? So me call the plumber, and the plumber say, it take a real man to unplug the hole. Cause me there and try to fix the thing, I'm say, no sir. If the plumber tell me say take a real man to call it, to fix the hole. So me go fix it myself. Yo, why you take me there, sir though? Look, me get everything. Screwdriver, everything, all the screwdriver, everything. Me get all drain pipe. See? Me make everything work. You fix me, I fix it, man. Me nah make no man. No man. My woman call no man. If you come fix that hole, it will black up. Me, I fix it myself. So, now it fix. See? Yeah, that work. Yeah, it fix. Completely fixed. So it works. So me now make no man. Zin, come fix my woman the plug. Zin, but I'm black. I all I'm black. Right? I will black up so she call him to come fix it all. And him gonna tell me say take a real man to fix it all. Me will fix it. No man, no plumber now come on my house. Come fix no hole. No hole. Yeah. So you turn man now, you fix the hole. Alright, good job. I'm say it work. It work, man. Yeah, go on. Yeah. At least you unplug something. At least you're good for something. For unblock the hole. At least you're good for something. Man, lad.